how to operate, and the features of smart handheld UVC sterilizer. Handheld UVC sterilizer is a must in our daily routine. Even we are at home or at office, we need to make sure we are not a carrier of bacteria and viruses. Sanitizing our toys, phones, laptops, and documents, even when we are going outside, like going to market, malls, traveling, and you can use it also inside your car. Our handheld UVC sterilizer is powered by 4 pieces AA batteries and it's 5 watts in power. It is portable device, no noise, and easy maintenance. It is auto-off feature that will off automatically when it's turned upward or over 90 degrees and turn on again with turning it downwards. To turn on the smart handheld UVC sterilizer, press the on and off button for 3 seconds. Next, choose your designated timer by pressing the timer button. Either 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or continuous. Lastly, confirm the timer by pressing the on-off button. Make sure to remove the cover before using it.